Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a baked Western omelet, and I'll be starting off by whisking 8 eggs with 1 cup of milk. Once those are whisked together, I'll be adding in 1 cup of diced ham. In here I have a half of a cup of diced red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and onion. And then as an optional ingredient, I've also got 1 diced jalapeno. Next in is a half of a teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 of a teaspoon of black pepper and a half of a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Once everything is well combined, it gets poured into a well-greased 9 by 9 inch baking dish. This is now ready to go into a 350-degree oven where it's going to bake for about 45 minutes to 1 hour, or until the eggs are cooked all the way through and the top is turning a light golden brown. Once the omelet came out of the oven, I did let it set for about 5 minutes before I cut into it. Now I'm topped it off with a little bit of fresh pico de gallo, and I'm serving it alongside some breakfast sausage and toast. And now all I have left to do is dive in and try it out. And I do want to try just the omelet itself without any of the accompanying items. This definitely does remind me of a Western omelet. All those flavors are there, and I really loved the ease and convenience of just being able to stir everything together and put it in the oven and let the oven do all the work for me instead of slaving over the stove making 4 individual omelets. The only thing I think I would have done different is maybe sauteed the onions and the peppers before I put them into the mixture, because it is a little bit watery. And that's just from the water that released from the vegetables as they were cooking. Other than that, this is a perfectly balanced dish and something I'm definitely going to be making again. But that is going to be it for me for the day. If you've enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you tried this recipe out, let me know how it turned out for you. And as always, thank y'all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.